Sageran Unity 4 and 5G Indoor Small Cell delivers the lightest and smallest compact form factor available, with baseband, radio and antenna all in one design. The cutting-edge small cell supports multi-frequencies 2x2 MIMO, and low power consumption delivers high capacity and low latency for users. The characteristics of this small cell with flexible networking and easy deployment. Unity 4 and 5G Indoor Small Cell has made great progress in all aspects of performance compared with Unity 5G Indoor Small Cell, and has the characteristics of large capacity, low delay, and high speed. It's fast and easy to deploy. You can set up a 4 and 5G network with single Ethernet cable in 1 minute. And it's best to deploy at indoor scenarios such as residential, public area, and office buildings. It can be deployed in vertical industries as VR, laboratory, emergency, and manufacturing. Its high performance are invaluable assets for industries' customers seeking operational improvement. Unity 4 and 5G Indoor Small Cell can be deployed in areas where macro cells cannot reach, effectively solving indoor signal blind spots in high population areas to improves user capacity significantly and provides users with a good quality of service. Sageran makes connection easier.